Yeah, anytime I have tools, you know, natural tools, you know, like this fork piece, I always save everything. You know, I got a baton, I've got several ridge poles, last night's ridge pole. I got this big guy too, might get chopped up for firewood since I was going to use it for a shelter, but I never did. But yeah, I always save everything for next time, so I'm not having to recut new stuff. So, this is sort of my fire pokey stick. And then I've got, this is from the fire pit. I just yanked it out because it was kind of leaning over. And then the grate I'm going to save. I'm just going to leave it leaning up a tree. So, alright, I guess the sun. Man, I'm really low energy today. I don't know why. Whew. I mean, just getting up and doing anything is a struggle. I mean, I drank plenty of water. I had plenty to eat. I still have a little food. I've got another Mountain House meal and a couple snacks and that cookie I never ate. So, if I drank, at least 2 of these, plus the liter, the outdoor products liter. I got just a little bit of water left. But then the water I boiled out of the stream, so I drank, what? I think I drank quite a bit of water. But man, I'm just dragging today. Mosquito. Oh, I know why. Mosquitoes have drained all my blood. Man, they're jerks today. So I really intended to do this as a 1 bucket camping challenge, which I only mentioned at the beginning of the video, and then I didn't mention it again. I mean, I kind of failed at it in a sense that I couldn't get my food in the bucket. But, whatever. I still came out, I still overnighted. I used all my gear too. There wasn't much I didn't use. I used the canteen, I used the measuring cup. I mean, I guess I didn't drink some of the coffee, but that's no big deal. I mean, I used the headlamp. I used the toilet paper to blow my nose. I used the fire kit. There's like no gear I brought that didn't go untouched. I used both the knives at some point. The glove, oh, I didn't use the paracord. That's one thing I didn't use. But I already had paracord tied to my tarp, so I didn't need to use it. So, you know, which is fun. I mean, it's paracord and a little bit of bank line, but it was already pre-tied, which saves a lot of time and trouble having to go and cut paracord. And not that that's difficult, but you know, if you pre-tie it, you know, pre-tying it really saves a lot of time. I mean, the only thing I really missed was my Flex Light chair, and only because I can lean back in it. But you know, the bucket did fine. You know, it's nice to be able to sit down. I mean, it doesn't have the back support, but you know, it was okay. Sleeping pad worked out okay. Snug pack blanket worked out okay. And I actually got it back in the bag, which I'm happy about. So, I think I'm going to pack it up and head on out of here. So, as always, I appreciate your view. I always appreciate your comments. I thank you for commenting. Comments are probably my favorite feature of YouTube. Right after that, well, I may be tied, is the scheduling feature. You can schedule your videos for upload. So, I guess I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, and you know, give it a try. Take a bucket out and just try camping. If you do this and do a video, let me know, and I'll check it out. I mean, it's more important getting out and doing some dirt time, but I will catch you guys in the next one. I hope you're enjoying the videos as well.